Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I use this DIY deep condition that helps to moisturize your hair. This is gonna help you to moisturize your hair, and if your hair is breaking, it's gonna help you to stop hair breakage and retain length. So if this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's get started. So far, this is the amount of hair I lost, and this is what made me decide to do this flaxseed treatment, okay, on my natural hair. So my hair looks right now, it looks a bit dry, so I think that's why my hair broke. So I want to put back moisture back into my hair. So here are the ingredients. I'll be using banana, avocado, honey, flaxseed, and I'll also be using mayonnaise and flaxseed, mayonnaise, banana, avocado. So I'm just going to be blending everything and be telling you all the benefits of this one after the other. So for flaxseed is enriched with omega-3 fatty acid. Flaxseed gel helps to promote hair growth faster and longer, and it provides nourishment to your hair follicles. Flaxseed helps to, if you are doing wash and go, you can use flaxseed for your wash and go. So let's talk about avocado. Avocado are rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, and B6. It contains also omega-3 fatty acid that protects your hair. It gives your hair shine. It protects the hair from breakage. So it adds shines to your hair. So let's talk about banana. So banana helps to repair damaged hair. It helps to prevent hair breakage. It also helps to moisturize your hair. So banana is really good for our hair growth. So honey and mayonnaise does the same thing. They add shines to your hair, and so all these ingredients I'm using, guys, it helps to prevent hair breakage. It helps to add shines to your hair. So I'm just going to be adding just a little bit of mayonnaise inside this, and I'll add honey and mix all this together. This treatment is so good for your hair. Like this, after I applied this on my hair felt so soft, so fluffy, and so I'm just going to be mixing this. Please keep on watching to know the next step of what I'm going to do to my hair. So far, we are starting up with warm water. I added warm water in my spray bottle just to hydrate my hair. I did a onions and flaxseed gel on my hair, and that really helps because I said I was doing flaxseed treatment. So this is the second treatment I use flaxseed to do on my hair to help to stop hair breakage. So I'm just going to be patting my hair into two just like this, and after that I will start applying this deep condition on my hair. So just apply the deep condition on your hair in sections so that you can get it deep into your hair follicles, and your hair follicles can absorb the nutrients. Okay guys, so please keep on watching. So I'm using a band just to separate my hair so my hair don't mix up everywhere. If you are new and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like this video. It helps YouTube to boost my video too for other audience to get to my video, and comment. And if this is what you love and what you're interested in, kindly share the video as well. This also helps my video to go and meet other people that needs it. So This is what the texture of this DIY looks like. I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair. This made my hair feel so soft, so smooth, and easy to comb out. If your hair is dry, if your hair is breaking, if your hair is frizzed out, even if you're not natural and your hair is relaxed, this mixture is good for you to try it. Okay guys, so just keep on watching to the rest of the video. I really appreciate your love and your support. Thank you all so much, and yeah. So guys, always remember to apply this from the root of your hair to the tip of your hair, because the tip of your hair is the oldest part of your hair, and those are the places that tends to get break, like it has knot, and when your hair have knot, your hair is going to break, and when your hair break, you cannot retain length. So always try to avoid knots on your hair so that you can be able to retain your hair length. Okay guys, so I hope this video was quite helpful for anyone that is trying to moisturize your hair. This deep condition really helps to moisturize your hair very well. I'm telling you from experience. So I hope this video was quite helpful for you. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new and you've not subscribed yet. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So this is my hair after I finished applying all this on my hair. So can you see those coils, guys? Are you seeing those coils? Flaxseed also does that with your natural hair. It gives out the coils the best, like brings out the best of the best of the best of your coils. Yeah, so I'm just going to pack this and I will cover my hair and allow this to set on my hair for quite a long time. You can carry this for as long as you want, yeah, and rinse it out. So I'm just going to be carrying this for 2 to 3 hours, then I will rinse this out and I'll show you guys my hair texture. Okay, so my clean film finished in this video, so I'll just be using nylon to cover this up. Yeah, remove, guys, remove. So please keep on watching. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after I finish washing it and rinsing it out. I've previously washed my hair before I did this recipe, so please wash your hair before you apply this on your hair. So what I just did was to just use warm water to rinse it out. So this is me trying to style my hair. I will be using my leave-in condition, which the video will be coming up after this one. This is the condition. I'm using this to style my hair. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this video was quite helpful for you. This is me using my moringa butter. I love this butter so much, like it really helps to seal in all the moisture on my hair. So I hope this video was quite helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new one. And also please like this video so that YouTube can promote this video, and comment and share. Lest I forget, if you're new here, my name is Jessica Trenovec. In this my channel is all about DIY to grow your natural hair. If you're suffering from PCOS, if you're suffering from alopecia, the remedies I'm using is gonna help you out. And I also do vlogs about my family, my baby, my hobby. If you're also interested, then kindly subscribe, as I said earlier on, like this video and share and comment. Yes, so do all those juicy things for me, guys. And I'll see you all in my next one. Because I can see from my edges, they are coming up little by little. We are getting there. Bye, guys.